Welcome, Santosh.
Thank you.
It's pleasure to have you here. I'll quickly start off with your journey so far in terms of the digital technology transformation, and what you think helped you traverse the journey with respect to managing the vision of company with the technology transformation roadmap.
So, like any other company, we also started with doing a proper study for the framework, and that is very important. We used to sometimes jump on a solution directly without studying our landscape, ecosystem, business strategy, problem statement. But we started with all ingredient first, and then we decided like what are our plans, right? I'm coming from auto component, or you can say auto domain. So for us, digital transformation is very, very important. And when I say auto component, every OEM demand for the digital transformation because for the traceability, backward integration, and they also want like my tier one need to be at a certain platform. And if I say, because our market share is more than 75%, so everywhere all OEMs pushing on the same. There are two aspects from everyone. Like first is digital transformation, second is cybersecurity, and third now coming together ESG. So again, as per the vision of the company, so we taken a solution, and we prioritize also. If you see, like we have in our company we have 3 SBUs, but each SBU having a different kind of vision, and then they have a different type of digital initiative. Further, I elaborate to it, like auto glass is mainly a B2B business, so they are more concerned on shop floor automation. If you come to the float business, so they are more supply chain intensive process industry.
Correct.
So they want like right material at right time at right place, right? So they are more on the supply chain. If I go to third vertical, they are mostly in B2C. So complete landscape for the front end digitization, they want front end digitization. So you can see it is not like you can go to the market and just take all the product. You need to fit this. So that is a vision, or that is a approach or framework need to follow for a successful adoption. Or even say adoption is now a very old word, consumption. So we can say implementation, adoption, and consumption. If you're not consuming, nothing is going to.
You have been in technology transformation space for quite some time. You have done ERPs, cloud, data analytics, cybersecurity. What's next in terms of the innovation with regards to technology? 5G coming, Gen AI coming in. Yeah. So what exactly is that you're looking forward?
See, like we are discussing just now, right? So digital transformation is now I will say, I'm sorry, I'm using the word past, right? It's a very heavy word, and you will see recently, you will see in upcoming time that AI will going to take all these things. We discuss, we debated on Industry 4.2. Why Industry 4.0 is not replaced by Industry 5.2? Yeah, you can think.
Correct.
Because AI, ML, and top of this, generative AI coming in the picture. So now everybody thinking on the generative AI. Why? Because digital transformation is more on specific to shop floor. If you see the framework in Industry 4.0 for supply chain or for common services like finance, HR, nothing is there.
Correct.
But AI remains same, irrespective of any of the vertical. So, and AI will be like a common man solution. Maybe the digital is mainly IT and the business, but cross-functional solution is AI.
What is the 3 messages you want to give to new gen CIOs who are just starting their journey in terms of leadership roles in IT?
So my first point is, please try to select the tool very carefully, based on the your vision, mission, and please try to discuss with first the leader, sign a document, and then only go for implementation. It's not like tick box. We often see whether it's SAP, Oracle in the ERP domain, how much you have consumed the ERP.
Correct.
Yeah, I'll because I am from the automotive domain, 20 plus years. I never met a CIO who say that I had implemented MRP 1 and 2 and using MRP 1 and 2 90%.
9. Yeah.
So one is that. Second is like, if IT is a journalistic term, right? Other domain people can add a lot of value to your IT by using the Google, right? Why can't we get in the business processes? We know the processes. So I just want that this skill or competence is very important, that you become a techno business leader.
Absolutely.
I'm not saying that go and take a business leadership role, but of course I saw a few of the veteran CIO who had HR, who had GRC, who had even ESG also. So why can't we give a suggestion? With example, I say, why can't we give a suggestion for a digital services, right?
Absolutely.
People are billing, people are doing the business in the D2C, B2C. Why can't we say that there is a digital services and we can own these digital services? And the third point is, of course, security. There is a pros and cons. So you can't neglect security. You need to first drill down the message in your organization that security is not IT.
Correct.
IT come, then cyber security come, then OT come, then something else come. DPDP is coming.
Correct.
Security is part of everybody, right? We are also a steward of certain area. Rest area is yours. Because risk. We are only going to take a risk of technology, right? It's not that we can take end to end. We are not there to take ownership of enterprise risk management.
Correct.
There are certain other business units which are going to take this. So these are the three which I recommend from my side.
Very well put, Santoshji. I would say, taking out cue from what you just said, the next gen tech leaders, they need to be value centers,
Yes.
not cost center anymore. They need to be value center heads.
Yeah.
Thank you, Santoshji. I had a lovely time chatting with you.
Thank you.